Power receptacle removal and replacement. Disconnect power to the frame. Insert a flathead screwdriver between the zipper strip and the contact plate on the right side at the top of the frame to dislodge one end of the zipper strip. Loosen and remove the zipper strip from the contact plate. Remove the contact plate, exposing the electric wiring assemblies. Repeat to remove the contact plate from the left side at the top of the frame. Repeat to remove the contact plate from the center mullion and retain the removed components for reassembly. Slowly pull the connected wires out, away from the frame. Disconnect the 2 white, 2 green, and 2 red receptacle wires from the frame wires at the quick connectors. Note: if quick connectors are not used, use wire cutters to cut the connections between the receptacle and the frame. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws securing the receptacle to the top frame. Carefully peel and remove the foam tape securing the wire leads to the power receptacle and pull the receptacle out, away from the frame. Remove the receptacle and receptacle wires. Thread the wires from the replacement receptacle into the mullion. Join the replacement receptacle wires to the frame power wires with the quick connectors previously used. Note: if quick connectors are not used, splice the connections between the receptacle and the frame. Carefully place the wire assembly back into the mullion, secure the new receptacle into the top of the frame, and reassemble the contact plates and zipper strips.